Hi friends, hope all are fine. Welcome to new episode of Blow Your Mind. If someone asks, what are you thankful for in the present moment? Are you able to answer it immediately? Are you able to recall easily the small moments in your life that makes you joyful? When we start counting the simplest happiness that brings changes in our life, it sparks light of joy in our soul. So, today I like to share a few points on gratitude journal. What is gratitude journal? Did you think about any time about the gratitude journal? Gratitude, the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. Otherwise, we can tell gratitude is just simply the appreciation of what is meaningful to oneself. Friends, instead of focusing on what is lacking or darkness in our life, we will start focusing on the joy and the light in our life. It will really increase the happiness of our life. The vibration of gratitude makes abundance of positivity in our life. It influences life insight and helps to see goodness in each and every moment. There are enormous of benefits of a gratitude journal. Some of the benefits are more good feeling, more relaxed, lower stress, improve self-esteem, happier memories, improve sleep quality, develop healthy habits, increase energy level, improve decision making, goal focus, less envious, satisfaction with relationships, happy for others' success, accept others, more social, less self-centered and connected to the world. Now, how to start writing a gratitude journal? Having an attitude of gratitude does not cost any money. It takes only a very few minutes to note down your thoughts in a gratitude journal. Let's see some of the steps. Step 1. Take a journal to write and keep it near your bedside table or where you can see it. Yes, you can record it in a traditional diary or an electronic gadgets, but pen and paper will be more powerful than typing something. Step 2. Select day to write the gratitude journal. Well, research studies says that writing a gratitude journal 3 or 4 days per week will have more impact than writing daily. Next, you have to mark that selected dates and time in a calendar. Friends, you can choose either morning or evening time, whatever time it's comfortable for you. But the best ideal time is 15 minutes before sleep. I will tell why it is an ideal time. Because if you are writing a gratitude journal just before sleep, there are some benefits. One of the benefit is just before bed you will be moving away from the blue screen light. Usually everyone have a habit of watching mobile phone at bedtime. It will be get reduced if we start writing a gratitude journal just before sleep and making it a habit too. Another one is by writing a gratitude journal at bedtime, you are really offload your thoughts and that is positive thoughts too. So you will sleep with positive perceptions and it makes you to wake up in morning with positive feelings. Step 3. Select a quiet place to write, either inside or outside the house. Step 4. Feel the feelings. It is very essential for writing a gratitude journal. As you write, feel your emotions that coming up as grateful for you. They are your feelings and your experiences only. It brings connection between your mind and brain. Step 5. Note down 5 things you are grateful. Put the date and write down 5 things that you are grateful for. Record about the moments which you are grateful for. Either it is a big or small incident. Whatever it is there, you can note it down in your gratitude journal. Be specific and genuine while you are writing your gratitude journal. Don't write from your imagination. While you are writing, you should be write the reason also for your gratefulness. For your easy understanding, I will show some of the examples. I am grateful for my partner as he loves me. I am grateful for my mother as she cooks me delicious food. I am grateful for my friend as she calls me today. I am grateful for my job as it pays me money. I am grateful for rain as it keeps me cool today. Friends, after looking to all these 5 steps, we can tell that the easiest way to maintain a gratitude journal is by making it a habit. Once you get into the routine of writing a gratitude journal on a regular basis, you will surely identify the positive effects in your life. We can tell that develop an attitude of gratitude and be thankful for everything that happens. It helps to grow and develop. It transforms life with joy and laughter in yours and others. Dear friends, that's it. 3 days in a week. 5 things you are grateful. Write the reason also why you are grateful, and you can make a gratitude journal. Here Lichi signing off, and today I am grateful to my viewers for watching my video.